Do you struggle engaging students with reading? Do students struggle with comprehension in your class? Well, look no further than the My Story School Edition app. The My Story School Edition app can be used on iPad or iPhone, and it costs $4.99. But if you do not have an Apple product, there are similar storybook builder apps in the Google Play Store. To purchase the My Story School Edition app, simply go to the App Store and search My Story School Edition and purchase for $4.99. This educational app is perfect for use in a pre-kindergarten to second grade classroom. It allows students to create, animate, and narrate their own story or illustrate a book that they previously read in class. One of the major issues with comprehension in students is the lack of engagement with the text that they are reading in class. With the My Story app, students are able to be actively involved with the text they are reading by creating a story based on what they read. For example, if your class recently read The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle, the teacher could have the students create a My Story about what the caterpillar ate throughout the book. To begin their My Story about the Very Hungry Caterpillar, students would open the app, type in their name as the author, and tap the Add a Book button in the middle of the screen. Next, they would title the book they are about to make and choose a color for the cover. Then, they would create a cover page for the book. Students can use the pictures the app has, word bubbles, text boxes, and write or draw using the pencil icon on the right. In addition, students can add pictures from their device that they can take themselves or find on other websites. When adding images on their page, students can change the size, move the position, and delete the image if they choose to do so. Then, they will add pages and content for their book. They can add pictures like the cover page and even record their voice narrating the book as they go along. Once students are finished with their story, they can share it as a PDF, a movie, or as an ebook for the teacher and the rest of the class to see. This app would be great for different levels of Bloom's taxonomy, such as comprehension, application, and synthesis, by allowing students to create their own story about what the caterpillar ate. In addition, the My Story app could be used with unit lessons about various subjects and have students narrate a story about a topic. For example, the lesson could be over George Washington, and the students could narrate and animate a story based on his life and accomplishments. The story would then allow the teacher to assess whether or not the students comprehended the material taught and to gauge whether or not there needs to be a review. My Story allows for a fun and hands-on approach to comprehension skills that many students will use throughout their academic career.